We've grown this business out of our own capital, so we don't have a big brother that puts in big money into R&D or into marketing. Those are the two things that have been lacking. Our dev team and development team's 12 strong, so it's a fair-sized team, and over the last 2 years we've built our marketing team up quite substantially, but we're still funding that ourselves. So we've got our eyes on Australia, the UK, and some places in Europe where we're looking at very closely. I have a deal on the table with the UK now, which might bring another 6,000 timesheet users. If that comes off in the next 6 months, it'll be fantastic. That'll give us a very good footprint in the UK, and that would leverage us into the States. But essentially, over the next 3-4 years, we want to get to 100,000 timesheet users from where we are now. We've grown a compound rate of 25% over the 3 years, and that's been fantastic for us, and that's both in revenues and in net profit. So we've managed to do that and put some money in the bank. So that's where we want to be. I think one of the things that's been very good for us has been out on our limb on our own in little old South Africa, competing with some global giants out there, including people like the Deltex and the SAPs, and those are our competition in the larger sites, is that I've managed to travel a lot and see what the guys are doing in both Australia and the UK and the States. And I'm so encouraged to tell you that being a small entity like us, we're boxing way above our boxing weight, because we've built a full cloud product, and there's no one in Australia that's got a cloud product at the level that we've got, which means we can have 1,000 or 2,000 or 3,000 seats in our database, and we can have 2 seats in our database as a cloud user, and there's no one out there that can really compete at that level. So I'm really excited about that. The more I travel to the States and the UK, the more I see opportunity, but that opportunity does need money, and as I said, we fund that ourselves. So slowly we'll go along that path.